Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Scrolling Credits Maker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Scrolling Credits Maker is a tool designed to help users create smooth, professional-looking scrolling credits for videos. The app provides editable templates where you can add names, titles, sections, and adjust the text style, speed, and background. It is mainly used for film-style end credits, YouTube outros, social media videos, school projects, and event presentations. The app is available on major mobile platforms and allows users to export their credits in high-quality formats compatible with most video editors. The app's main feature is its scrolling text generator. You simply input your text, customize fonts and layout, and preview the animation in real time. It also offers alignment settings, color options, spacing adjustments, and background customization. Many users appreciate how quick and easy it is to generate clean scrolling text without needing complex editing software. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the simplicity, the ability to export clean, ready-to-use video files, and the time saved compared to editing credits manually. It is especially useful for beginners, small creators, or anyone who needs end credits fast. The templates also help maintain consistent formatting across long lists of names. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced customization is limited compared to full video editors, and users who want cinematic effects, transitions, or more complex animations might find the app restrictive. Some features may require in-app purchases, and exporting in higher resolutions can sometimes be locked behind a subscription. Additionally, the app relies heavily on preset layouts, which may not suit creators needing full creative control. In summary, the Scrolling Credits Maker app may be worth using if you want a quick, clean, and beginner-friendly way to create scrolling credits without using advanced editing software. However, if you need full creative flexibility, complex motion graphics, or highly stylized credit sequences, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.